perform some assisted PNF stretching on the adductors of the shoulder. For this one, there's going to be several different positions that I'm going to show you, and also there's going to be two variations. One is going to be a contract-relax, the second is going to be with an added antagonist contraction. So for the first variation, when we are taking them into abduction, what we're going to be doing is stretching the pectoralis major, the latissimus dorsi, and also the teres major and minor. And what we can do is we can put the arm in different positions to target different fibers. So if we have the arm overhead, we're going to be targeting more the inferior fibers. If we have the arm straight across, it's going to be more the medial fibers. And if we have the arm down towards the side, it's going to be the fibers that go towards the clavicle. For the first one, what we're going to do is stabilize at the shoulder, take them into as much abduction as possible, and give them a couple taps. I want you to do a pec fly for me. And relax. Once they've held on for 4 to 7 seconds, they're going to relax. You're going to take them deeper into the stretch. If you want to add an antagonist contraction, what you would do is, again, you're going to stabilize at the shoulder, take them into as much abduction as possible. They're going to adduct, so do a pec fly for me. And now I want you to bring your arm down towards the floor. So now they're assisting you in the stretch, and that's going to give you a little bit more range of motion to work with. So again, when the arm is up overhead, we are going to be targeting the fibers that run vertical from the sternum up towards the humerus. When the arm is across, it's going to be targeting more of the fibers that run horizontally, and when the arm is down, we're going to be targeting the fibers that run on a diagonal going up towards the clavicle. So you would perform the exact same thing. You would give them 2 taps, they're going to resist against the pressure, and then if you want to have an antagonist contraction, they will perform it on, they will go into abduction themselves, and then you can perform it the same on the other side. Another way that we can perform this is in a sideline position. So I'm going to turn on to your side. So one way that we can perform this is by bending the elbow and having them place their hand on the back of their head. When we have the elbow in this position, we're going to be targeting the fibers that run down towards the sternum. So what you can do is place one hand on the scapula to stabilize, press back, give 2 taps, they're going to do a pec fly, and relax. Then to target the fibers that run horizontally, you can sit, bring your butt right up against their shoulder blade to stabilize, and then same thing. You're going to take them into abduction, have them do a pec fly, and if you want to add an antagonist contraction, I want you to bring your hand away from me, and they will assist. And that is how you perform some assisted PNF stretching of the adductors of the shoulder.